everyone, we are so happy to announce that we have officially gained 1,000 subscribers. We just want to thank you all so much for all of your support over the last 2 years. We know that time is precious and we feel so honored that you spent time in your day to come watch some of our videos. In honor of reaching this goal, we thought it would be a good idea to share our origin story and why we started this channel.
Hi there, this is Michele and I am the mom of Stunning Misadventures. I grew up with a mom that was a DIYer before the acronym DIY was a thing. My mom was an amazing seamstress. She could sew anything without a pattern. All I had to do was show her it, and she'd take me to the fabric store, let me pick out the fabric I liked, and she'd come home and make the exact item that I wanted. As for myself, I grew up loving cooking and baking and crafting, and in more recent years, I've gotten to love power tools and building things. When I became an adult, I started teaching home economics for a private school, and I did so for 18 years. And my kids, a lot of times, would be involved in those classes also by default. And I've always found the most satisfaction in upcycling things. I love taking things that other people think are beyond hope or trash and giving it new life and function. It's so satisfying. One of the projects that I love that has inspired a lot of comments back whenever I did it was things like, you should start a blog, or you should start a vlog, or put things on Pinterest. Actually, this was before Pinterest, but that's come later. But is when my kids and I built a 16-foot round brick patio in our backyard using only bricks that we found on Craigslist for free. I had never built a patio before, but I did a little research and we built it. And I still love that patio today, 14 years later. So the things that I've always made, though, have been things that I've wanted or I've needed or I saw potential in for my home or for my kids, or things that are functional for my life. I didn't have a lot of money while I was raising my family to spend on new stuff, so I would always make things myself, and I really, really enjoy it. Did then and I do now. I never really took people serious, though, when they told me that I should start a blog or post things on Pinterest, because I didn't really think that people would really be interested in the things I was making, because I was making them out of necessity or from my own home. And half the time I was just learning as I went, so I didn't feel like I had some great craftsmanship to share with people. But finally, here we are doing it. So I'm going to pass this off to Tori now and let her tell you her story.
Hi everyone, I'm Tori, one of the Stunning Misadventures daughters. As a kid, my mom and dad were always DIYing, so I came by it naturally. It wasn't really something I was into until I got married. My wedding was actually one of the first DIY projects that I did. Literally everything in my wedding was a DIY project, like the cake and the catering and the decorations and the favors. Everything was a DIY project. What really got us interested in building things was having a unique situation with my laundry system. My bathroom is also my laundry room. So we had to create some sort of laundry organization system. It was a disaster, but we had a lot of fun. So we decided to try again and again and decided other things to build. After hearing from a lot of people that we should start a blog and show everybody what we've been doing, we decided, okay, let's try it. And we wanted to name our blog Stunning Misadventures because every DIY was an adventure or misadventure, but most of the time they turned out stunning. Within a year, we had only posted 3 DIYs and our interest died until Sarah came along.
Hi there, I am Sarah, the second Stunning Misadventures daughter. Before and after marrying into this family, I was always amazed at Michele and Tori's creations. Along with many other people, I agreed that they needed to start some sort of blog or Pinterest or channel I had known almost nothing about DIYing when I had proposed this idea from traveling home from LA on Thanksgiving vacation in 2018. The idea that I proposed was supporting Michele and Tori with creating a YouTube channel. I had offered to help design their profile and film their projects, and then on January 9th, 2019, I'd helped them post their first video on the channel. For the first few months, I'd only filmed and edited the videos, but over time, my husband Brandon and I had actually started to make appearances in the videos and helping out with the projects. Since joining in and creating the projects, I kid you not, we have filled our entire home with DIY projects with the help of Michele and Tori.
Thanks again for watching yet another one of our videos. We created this in appreciation of all of you and for your supporting us on our journey. We look forward to sharing many more videos in the future. So let's get into the giveaway. To enter the giveaway, we'd like you to watch at least 3 of our videos. After watching the videos, we'd like for you to email us at stunningmissadventures@gmail.com and share your very favorite video with us. Your email to us will be placed in our drawing to win 1 out of 3 Amazon $25 gift cards that we're going to be giving away. We'll also put all these instructions in the description below. And we just want to say once again, thank you for watching, and we look forward to all of you following us on YouTube and following us on our journey ahead.